Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Minutes Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Ned Bear's Poppin' Chicken Bites. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for to make next in the comments below. And before we get into the recipe, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Genuinely didn't think I'd get here, let alone this fast. Alright, now to start this recipe, you're going to want to make the Cheekalicious Thai patties. So you want to cut up 4 chicken breasts and put them in a food processor. Now in the food processor, you want to just pulse until, you want to put an egg in. I almost forgot about that. You want to pulse until it's shredded but not mush. Now you're going to chop up all your veggies. You're going to need 5 green onions. I only use 2 because they're massive. You want to crush 2 garlic cloves, zest and juice a lime, and you want a tablespoon of chopped cilantro coriander, but I used parsley. Now you add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of fish sauce, and a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste, and just mix it all together. And then you put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before. At this point you'd also have 2 cups of breadcrumbs, but I forgot until later and didn't record it. Now onto the Poppin' Chicken Bites. In a medium-sized saucepan on like medium-high heat, you want to put a tablespoon of hot chili flakes, 2.5 ounces or 75 grams of granulated sugar, it's like half a cup, 3.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 2 cloves of garlic, fresh, finely grated. And then you also want to put half a cup of water, and then you want to make a paste using 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and like a tablespoon of water, and let it simmer, and then add salt for seasoning. Now, for this part of the recipe, you want to put half a cup of panko breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of plain popcorn in a blender or food processor and blend them until they're like a dust. Then you just take your chicken mixture, dip it in a mixture of half a cup of flour and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you dip it in 3 tablespoons of buttermilk, shake off the excess, and dip it in your popcorn mix. And then you deep fry them in 350 oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Mine took up to like 5 minutes each, but At this point, you'd have the green onions, sliced red chilies, and cilantro, coriander, or parsley on like as a garnish, but I completely forgot to add that, so it's fine. It was delicious. The chili sauce was decently spicy. It was a nice little burn. I would definitely recommend. I think the popcorn in the breadcrumbs actually gives it a nice texture. Yeah, I don't know, like 9 out of 10.